So in this video here we show our 3,000 pound mag base. This is an option to consider with your tabletop metal disintegrators. This allows you to use a smaller overall footprint machine when 90% of your work are small parts, but you get the occasional large weldment or die mold that will not fit on the tabletop. This would allow you to place a vise and consistently fixture small parts, or you can break the mag base away and use it on the larger weldments and die molds. This one here is pictured with our IQ and auto feed fixture. This is the heavy duty and high precision head, capable of working with taps as small as 0.80 and up to 2 inch in a single pass with the appropriate 20 kVA power supply. This style fixture can also be found with our arcer head and a manual quill feed, or the arcer head with an auto feed.